Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you sauteed broccoli. I'm gonna make antipast. It's appetizer. It's good for the drink with sake. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. This one. It's very easy. So let's start cooking. Well, this is the broccoli and elengi mushroom, garlic, hot chili pepper, and salt, and olive oil. That's it. So I have to cut this one. This root part is very delicious, so I'm gonna try to peel off. This one is very hard to cut off. Okay, skin off. You can eat center. This part is very delicious. Fillet and like this. So you cut like this, make same uniform. This one is okay. Just cut half. Like this. Like that. This one is too big. This. Okay, you have to cut almost same size, same uniform. Cut like this. Adding the mushroom. Sliced garlic. So I have broccoli boil first. Please be careful not to boil it too much. So texture like medium rare. So pick it up because after saute, that's why not boil too much. Start saute. Chili pepper, sliced garlic. Olive oil, like this. Then turn on the switch. High flame. Okay. Wait about 3 minutes. So coming garlic will burning, change color brown, and a good flavor from hot pepper and garlic into the olive oil. I'm just waiting. Good flavor from garlic. I'm just waiting for the timing, starting saute. So garlic little bit change color right now. In this timing, you have to saute everything. Always high flame. So just added 4 grams salt. 4 grams. That's it. Don't add too much salt. Too salty. Just 4 grams in this portion. Nice decoration. So on top, like this. Sauteed broccoli with earring mushroom. The antipast. Appetizer. Let's try to eat. Tasty. Just salt taste. And with flavor from chili pepper. I don't use any pepper. Just use hot chili pepper. Drink with scotch. Oh, feel like heaven. So yummy. How about earring mushroom? Different texture. So tasty. So this appetizer is very easy to make. You better try. Yummy. Thank you for watching my channel. See you another time in my kitchen. Thank you very much.